In this video, you can see how to use kitchen waste to grow vegetables without attracting any insects and flies. Welcome to Live for Loving Nature. I'm Sandhya. For well-balanced compost, I used to mix greens to brown in a ratio of 3:1. For greens, I have taken here onion skin, banana peels and green stems which I have collected from my garden. To speed up the composting process, make them into small pieces. For browns, I have used here dry leaves. You can replace it with any cardboard or any kitchen tissues. Ideal container for this process is 25-inch diameter by 18-inch depth container. But here I have tried two different containers to show the result. For doing this process, that container should have holes at the bottom. Fill the bottom of the container with 3-inch thick layer of garden soil. I am preparing this container to grow green leaves in this container. That's why I have taken more amount of leafy waste which contains rich amount of nitrogen and less amount of banana peels and onion skin. Banana peels contains rich amount of potassium and phosphorus. Onion skin contains rich amount of potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium and copper. To this I have added leftover microgreens roots which contains micronutrients which promotes the healthy plant growth. If you are planning to do this process to grow vegetable plants, then you need to add more amount of potassium and phosphorus. So according to your need, you need to balance the soil pH value. Let's see the complete process quickly. I have taken a container with holes, added 3-inch thick layer of soil at the bottom. Above the soil, I added mixture of greens and brown. Oh, I forgot to mix grass clippings in this. So I added that also on top of it. Then covered the waste with 6-inch thick layer of garden soil again. After adding the soil, don't forget to compress it down. We need to compress it down with our hands or any object so that all the items should contact with one another. This will take major role in this process. Here I have used banana peel, onion skin and green waste in this process because all these three ingredients decompose quickly. That's why I have chosen this. After filling the soil, I am adding organic rice soaked water on top of it. In this water contains lot of minerals, vitamins, amino acids which helps to speed up the composting process. After doing everything, I am keeping these containers in direct sunlight. These containers need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun every day. Always maintain the container with little moisture. It helps the composting process. Leave it for 20 days. In these 20 days, don't forget to maintain the moisture level in the container. Keep it always damp but not soggy. After 20 days, the soil level will go down. it indicates waste started decomposing. For maintaining the soil level, add little more soil in the container. After filling the soil, we can start sowing the seeds. Now here I am sowing amaranth seeds. After sowing the seeds, cover the seeds with little amount of soil and don't forget to add water to it. Like this way you can grow all kind of vegetables whichever you like. It will give 100% result. For these plants, you don't need to add any additional fertilizers. Now it is ready to harvest. See how healthy it is. I'm happy with the results. Like this way we can use our kitchen scrap to grow our vegetables. Hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video of Live for Loving Nature. Do try this and let me know your feedback. Bye bye.